So I was sent this EVERYBOT by the brand to give an honest review, and I'm really excited. So let's go take a look. So I noticed right away it's got really nice packaging and it's put together really well. When you do open the box, there is some quick instructions. There is a step 1, a step 2, and a step 3 that gives you an easy reference to get it up and running as quickly as possible. Okay, we're taking out our 2 mops. The first one is the microfiber. This is the green one, and it's for more of your normal everyday cleaning. We also have the gray one, which is called the Mother Yarn Mop, and it's for more dirty cracks and old stains. Okay, looking further into the box, here is the actual unit itself. It's a nice weight, not too heavy, just the perfect amount. Okay, so that's everything that comes in the EVERYBOT after we've unboxed it. And now we're going to get ready to try it out. The first thing I did is I dampened the pad just lightly with water and wrung it out. And I'm placing it on the Velcro and making sure it's centered properly so that it works well. And then we're going to add some water inside. So you pop the top off, and then below there is a water well. You unscrew the top and then just add some water. And here we go, it's almost completely ready to go. The great thing about this EVERYBOT is everyone in the family loves to use it. My husband here is putting on the wet pads so it can do a little bit of mopping on the floor, and you will see it start to work here right away as he puts it down on the floor. And then we're going to start with some of the different controls. The first one is the auto, which it just automatically will go around the room and it senses where to go, which is fabulous. The next one we're going to use is the intensive. And that's where it works more on a specific area. The next one we're going to use is the edge, and that is where it goes along things like the edge of the room or your baseboards cleaning. And then we have the focus mode where it focuses in on a certain area. And then of course we have the 50-minute mode where it just runs for 50 minutes. And then we have the step mode, which you can see here, it cleans in more of a step pattern. Overall, this EVERYBOT has been a great addition to our family, and I really enjoy using it.